Yes, Aarti, thank you very much for organizing this, and thank you very much, Mr.
Pleasure.
Javeri and Mr. Mujumdar, for a very insightful presentation on corporate strategy. Because interestingly, we are at a juncture when we are working on a lot of strategy and DPR reports for various verticals. So I think it is an appropriate time that we have interacted with you. And one thing I would like to mention is that for all the verticals that we are
Yes.
definitely looking at being a differentiator rather than copying anyone else or competing on
Yes.
cost. I mean, mining, we still have to work on it because cost is a very important factor there. But
Yes.
even in that, we are looking at how do we differentiate ourselves in terms of
Okay.
our brand image, quality, or our delivery, something we will have to do if we
Okay.
have to sustain in the market. Uh,
Definitely.
Couple of things which I have noted, which are very important, and I'm sure that everyone must have their own takeaways from this. Is what we, apart from what we should do, we have to know that what we do not have to do, because
Yes.
those are from the experience either we have from past or what we see from the market. Like you've given example of Kodak and Nokia. So we know that these are the things we definitely do not want to do, and we don't have to go that path. Your Revigo example was really revealing to a large extent as to how one simple idea can really make a big difference in a very traditional established industry, and the big guys haven't really figured that out. And just one small innovation is going to be a game changer in the industry. Of other things I noted was how the five forces come into play. Porter's five forces, because as soon as we enter the market, we know we will be faced with competition, we will be faced with different challenges. So we have to be well aware of how these five forces play and make our own niche in the segment.
Yes.
Uh, your resource-based view concept is very interesting because to answer Arti's question, that strategy is both tangible and intangible. Uh, Intangible aspects of a company, and when we look at intangible aspect, all the team members have to be part of it, because that is where the culture of the company comes along, it develops. If the culture is good, your customers, suppliers, and everyone is happy, as with Toyota, and that is when you're going to create an amazing organization, which we are in the process of. So even the improvement concept, what you have mentioned, is very unique. We have started something like that, a suggestion box, but yes, we do need to work on that so that the suggestions keep coming for good improvements in the organization.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, and competitive advantage you have mentioned, which we really need to sit, uh, put our brains together and see that where do we place ourselves. So I think
Correct.
those are some of the key takeaways which I have made note of, and I'm
Definitely.
sure that everyone has made note of something. And from this very informative session, thank you very much, both of you.